Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm actually in my beauty room, not my filming room this time, just to take advantage of all the really nice natural lighting that comes in here. For today's video, I'm doing a loungewear, like self-isolation, comfy, cute clothing haul with Princess Polly. If you don't already know, Princess Polly is literally one of my favorite online stores. I just love the quality of their clothes. I love their style. They ship really quickly, and yeah, I was really bored the other day. So I was like, you know what? I need some really cute lounging around, work from home type outfits, and they have so many on the website. I didn't realize when I unboxed everything that they were all like neutral beige colors, white, black, gray. But I guess that is a type of color scheme that I wear at the moment. Also, I do have a 20% off discount code, which I will put on the screen. So I wasn't going to do my hair and makeup today, but because I was so bored, and I find makeup really therapeutic and I literally enjoy doing my makeup. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to get dolled up and film this video, even though I can't go anywhere after this. So yeah, and I also put on some freckles as well. Something diff. So as I said before, 90% of my selects are comfy at home loungewear type outfits. Cute if you're working from home. If you're not and you just still want to look cute and comfy, I picked out some really, really cute stuff. So let's get started. Okay, so the first top I picked up was this one. Oh my god, it is super lightweight and just so comfy. It does come with a drawstring, so if you did want to wear it a bit longer, you can. You can just wear it as a singlet, and then you can just tuck in some pants or jeans. Or if you did want to wear it cropped, you can just by pulling the drawstring and then tying a little bow or a knot. I got this one in a size 8 and it fits really well. It's not super tight. And obviously you can wear these tops to go out in, pair it with some jeans. I literally just got this because it is super comfortable. Trying my hardest to show you guys the pants. They are flared at the ends, and oh my god, how cute do the pants look with this crop. I am obsessed. I ended up getting a medium to large, and I'm glad I did because it is just like the perfect fit around my body. It doesn't cut my circulation. It is really, really nice. You can tighten the drawstring to make it tighter if you wish, but personally, when I'm lounging around the house, I like to be as comfortable as possible. So I'm really happy with the size of these, and I mean, how cute is this outfit together? Okay, so next thing I picked up was this Offen's Oversized Tea. I actually love the material of this. It's kind of like it's really hard to explain, but it feels like a worn sort of like vintage sort of feel. And I love that they have raw hems on the sleeves and then on the collar as well. Like, it looks worn in and I love it. I obviously love the color. I will put the camera down so you can see what it looks like from here down, but I did get a size 12. I always get like a large or a 12 in tees because I like to wear them as dresses. I love that you can either wear this around the house, lounging around, because that's what I usually do, or you can dress it up with some bike pants if you wanted to go out with it. I honestly, like, as I said, I live in oversized tees. I just find them so comfy. Obviously you can, I'm not wearing pants, so I'm not going to show you. You can tie them up around here if you did want that cropped oversized look, and you can just pair it with some jeans or a skirt. Personally, I just like to wear, oh there we go, I just like to wear my tees like just as they are. They have so many cute t-shirt dresses on the website as well, but definitely love this one. It's like one of my new favorites, I think. Okay, so the next two pieces I got is a set. It is so cute. So I got the beige one. They do have like a mint and a blue color, I think. But I just love this, not only to lounge around in, but I think it would be really cute for the beach as well. Obviously, you can wear these separate. I did get heaps of cute crops that I thought I would pair with these shorts. But the size that I got for this set, I think it was medium to large because I didn't want the shorts to be restrictive. Like, I'd always rather be comfy in shorts. So yeah, they fit me really, really well. So the top of the set comes like this. You could wear this with jeans just tucked in on one side. I personally would wear this set tucked in on one side so you can see the drawstring, and then just leaving out the other side of the top so you can show off the set. Absolutely love this. I honestly thought that this material could be a bit itchy, but it's actually really soft and comfortable. Yeah, I'm actually so glad I got this. I think I'm gonna have to go and pick up the other 2 colors because I'm obsessed. Okay, next 2 items I got. Oh my god, obsessed with this crop. I have it in white with the blue butterfly and I wear it to death. I freaking love it. I also have the singlet version crops with the butterfly on it as well. I get a size 8 in these and they fit me really well. I just love them. They're just so comfortable and just a really cool and cute basic top that you can pair with anything. And then I got these shorts. I was super excited for these. I'm gonna have to take these back and exchange them for a smaller size. I don't know why, but the model, it just looks really tiny on the model, which was a size 8. And I was like, oh, maybe I'll just go up 2 sizes just to make sure that they're not tight fitted, because I literally hate tight fitted shorts when it comes to lounging around, like when I'm on the couch. But I will do them up at the back to show you guys what they would look like if they did fit me. How freaking cute. They're made of like a, okay, I can't think of the material from the top of my head, but I don't personally have anything from the shop called My Mum Made It, but they do lots of this sort of material, like in trackies and oversized tops and stuff like that. Anyways, material is super soft and amazing. I absolutely love them, so I'll definitely have to exchange them for probably a size 10, I would say. I probably would also fit into a size 8 because I think they are made to be an oversized short. I think I'm gonna order the 10 just to make sure. But yeah, they are super, super cute, and obviously you could wear them with absolutely any top. But yeah, I'm literally gonna get so much use out of wearing these. Okay, next crop that I got. I don't know what has gotten into me, but I'm obsessed with angels slash like cherubs, like angel cherub patterns and just anything angel. I don't know why. And butterflies. Like I have an obsession. Anyways, I picked up this top. It's in a size 8, I think. So yeah, it isn't actually very tight unless I did order a 10, not sure. But it is really comfortable. It doesn't dig in or isn't super tight or restricting. It is a little bit see-through, but like if you're just wearing it around the house, I mean, I personally wouldn't really bother with a nipple cover, but obviously if you were to wear it out the house, you could obviously just put like silicone nipple covers. I get mine from either Boohoo or bras and things. But yeah, Boohoo just have really cheap ones, and they work really well and they're reusable as well, so you can use them heaps of times. But yeah, this top is so cute, especially with the shorts. I am living. This is such a me outfit. These pants are freaking amazing. I didn't necessarily get these for like my isolation outfits, but I just wanted them because they looked so cute on the website. And how cute does it look like with this top? Anyways, I did get it in a size 10, which was a little bit too big for me. Honestly, big leg and small waist problems, but hopefully the size 8 should be okay because they aren't super tight on my legs. Otherwise I probably wouldn't have bothered, but I will return these for a size 8. But I just like how they're seamless and they don't sort of dig in or suck in. They kind of just sit on your body really well, and you could wear these with any sort of plain top. Or you could even wear, I was thinking about pairing this top with them tucked in. That would look really cute. So I'll try that on after and see what it looks like. But I'm just obsessed with these. They're really lightweight, they're really soft, they're really comfortable. But yeah, I just wanted to pick these up because they just looked cute on the model. Okay, so I've just put the top on. I love this together. I didn't think it would look good, but for a little casual work from home, if you've got a little Skype meeting, you know, it is quite cute. I also got this bag that I forgot about. Obviously didn't get this to stay at home, but I saw it on the website and I was like, I need this in my freaking life. How cute is it? It does have a strap if you did want to wear it over the shoulder, but like I honestly would just wear it as a clutch. So you can put it in like this and close it and then just wear it like that. I don't know why, but I just love this outfit so much. It's not really something I would typically wear, but it's really effortless. But I just love the bag with it. It looks really cute. How cute is this play suit? I cannot deal. This is like a ribbed material, but I've never worn something comfier in my life. It's not too tight around my legs or around my belly area or my arms. Perfect freaking fit. I wish they had these in more colors. I'm not normally a jumpsuit type of person. Like, you've seen my hauls. I don't normally pick up jumpsuits. Very rarely I'll even pick up a dress, but this is just, it's amazing. I love the style. I love that obviously it can be worn, you know, lounging around at home or even out on a cute little lunch date or whatever. Wow. Oh my God. How cute is this? Playsuit. Bodysuit? No, it is a playsuit. Wait, bodysuits are tops. This is a playsuit. Or if you're in America, romper. Is that what they're called? Anyways, this is freaking cute. How, like, it just looks so, like, it looks comfortable. It is freaking comfortable. It is quite lightweight. It's not see-through. I'm not wearing a bra. I'm actually not wearing a bra with any of these pieces so you guys can see. I personally like it rolled up like this, but if you prefer, you can wear it buttoned up. I love the detail, like it's like an opal type look. Could wear it like this. If you wanted to wear it out and dress it up, you could wear a belt to cinch in your waist. I probably would wear it like that. I mean, this is so perfect. I freaking love it. Even like if you wanted to wear it as a top, and you could totally tuck this in like to your jeans or something like that if you wanted to wear this as a top as well, or even like a skirt. Because like it's super thin, so it wouldn't like bulge around this area. That's an idea. But yeah, this is so cute. I'm so glad I picked this up. Love it. Okay, next top I picked up. Wow, I am just pairing them with the shorts from that set from before, just because I don't have any other bottoms to wear with it. But holy crap, I love this top. It's super thick, so it'd be so warm for winter. But how cute is it with it just done up with one button? Obviously wear it done up like this, tuck it in with some jeans. You could even wear it, oh, that's nice too. You could even wear it just done up twice. Obviously, as I said before, done up all the way, tucked into some jeans or even trackies or a skirt. Let's have a look. That's what it looks like done up. Oh, that's cute. I personally would wear, I actually like the two buttons. It's really flattering on this area, and I love the flared sleeves so much. I personally would wear this top, not so much like for a lounging around outfit, but with jeans in winter or a skirt. Oh my God, the sun just came out. This top is amazing. I wish they had more colors of this. It feels really good quality, like a really thick ribbed material that will definitely keep you warm in winter. But I think this is my favorite piece of the whole collection so far. I love it. Next top that I got, oh my God. Surprisingly, I don't have something like this in my collection. I don't have a ribbed crop top. Weird, right? Anyways, I got this one in a size small. I did actually do up the top with the pants. It isn't super tight. So if you like that in a crop, also this is what the back looks like, which is so cool. It's more of a loose fitted top. So if you like that in a crop, yeah, it isn't tight for a small. Obviously, I don't think they go in an extra small. Maybe they do, I don't know. But I kind of like it. I like that relaxed sort of look in crops as well as tight fitted crops. I like the size on me. I probably wouldn't go down a size. But yeah, super versatile, these kinds of tops. You can obviously wear it with anything. Trackies, jeans, skirt, shorts, whatever you please. I picked it up because I don't have anything like it in my collection, and it would literally go with everything. Next top I got, I'm just pairing it with the same shorts, is this Guns N' Roses crop. Again, it has an angel on it, so therefore automatically obsessed. Now, I actually really do like it, and I don't actually have any cropped tees like this. Well, I do, but they're all old and not cute. How cute is this? Even just with the shorts. Obviously, you could wear this with anything, but it's just such a cute, comfy piece that you can just throw on any time of the day. Yeah, that's pretty much why I got it, because I don't really have many crops, like loose fitted crops like this. I just love the print. This one's in a size small to medium as well. Last but not least, I got another tee. This one isn't actually like an oversized style. Like it's just a normal t-shirt, although I did get it in a size 14. So I'm guessing it is quite like a tight fitted style. So if you did want this sort of fit, then definitely go up like 2 sizes to what you normally are. So I would wear this with these pants in a knot like this. I love it. One thing I love about this top is the color. Like it's like a sandy beige color. I don't have anything like it in my oversized tea collection. But yeah, that's everything that I picked up from Princess Polly. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you want me to post more clothing hauls on my channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also remember that I do have a 20% off discount code. I will leave it on the screen again, but all information is in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me, and I will see you in my next video, which will probably be very soon. Bye.